Ready to get some holiday shopping going but need some gift ideas for that travel enthusiast in your life? I have my top 5 gifts under $100 coming up.
Where are we going next? Let's go.
Welcome back to the Traveling Cheesehead. My name is Michelle, and on this channel we talk about everything travel related. So today is super exciting because we are in the holiday shopping season. With Black Friday right around the corner, these gifts are going to help you decide what to get your travel loving person for the holidays. Now today we are covering my top 5 choices of travel enthusiast gifts for under $100. Okay, we're going to count them down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 order. So in 5th place of my top 5 under 100 gifts for travel enthusiasts, the Trtl Plus travel pillow. This thing is awesome because it wraps around your neck and is completely adjustable. You know how most neck pillows, they fit certain people but not others? I have that problem. I can never get comfortable. This one is completely adjustable for each and every person, and it comes in a great travel case to keep it nice and clean and sanitary while you travel. All right, coming in at number 4, this is a fun one. It is the travel cocktail kit, and they come in quantities of 4, 6, or 8 cocktail options, and these are for you to take on the plane, and they're the ingredients to make your favorite cocktail. I can't think of something that is more fun and unique for your travel enthusiasts than to send them along with some fun cocktails to make on their journeys. All right, my next one coming in at number 3 is something you wouldn't necessarily think is travel related, but a lot of travelers really like to know their roots. So they have a 23andMe kit that will trace your ancestry, and then your travel enthusiast can go visit those places that their ancestors came from. It really makes your trip and their trip so much more unique because they're tracing their roots. So the 23andMe gift kit is a perfect item for them for the holidays. The next one is the Hooima Airline Pockets tray cover. Now this thing is great for those business travelers or recreational travelers that are taking short or long flights but love to have their tech nearby but want to do so in a sanitary way. This pocket slips right over your tray table in front of you, and it gives you pockets for your phone, your iPad, and other electronic items like your earphones and things like that. Plus it covers that dreaded fold down tray that we all know tends to be just covered in germs, so it covers it and keeps it sanitary for you. It's machine washable, makes it a really great travel accessory for those who like to have their tech nearby. All right, I told you, hang on for that last one. If you're getting value so far, give me that thumbs up, and don't forget to comment and subscribe below for more. This week, I have a video coming out every single week detailing different travel gift ideas based on your budget and who you're shopping for. So coming in at number 1 is the eBags Motherlode travel backpack. This thing is amazing, has so many pockets and usable space, and really can be your go-to for your travel enthusiasts. They are gonna love this bag. It is durable, it's stylish, and like I said, it organizes your items perfectly. You can fit a laptop in it and everything. I love this bag. It is my favorite thing under $100 this holiday season. All right, those are my top 5 suggestions. Like I said, I have more coming out this week. Tomorrow's video, we are going to talk about the top 5 gifts under $50 for that travel enthusiast in your life. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I hope to see you again on the Traveling Cheesehead. Until next time, travel safe.
Where are we going next? Let's go.